Hello everyone and welcome back to Bath Garden Center. Today we're diving into the world of summer blooming bulbs. With just a little bit of planning, you can fill your garden with vibrant, colorful blooms that are very low maintenance. In today's video, we're going to teach you how to care for summer blooms, when to plant them, and a few other tips. So come on, let's get started. So what exactly are summer bulbs? Well, they include flower varieties like caladiums, cannas, dahlias, gladiolas, begonias, elephant ears, and many more. These bulbs come in different forms such as tubers, corms, and rhizomes. For simplicity, we group them into a category called summer bulbs. Another thing to note about summer bulbs is they tend to be late bloomers, so they'll bloom in mid to late summer or early fall. Now, when should these beauties get planted? Unlike their spring blooming counterparts that get planted in the fall, these bulbs need to be planted in the spring/early summer. It's crucial that you wait until any chance of frost has passed in your area. For most regions, around mid to late May is a great time to plant your summer bulbs. Another thing to keep an eye out on is soil temperature. You want to make sure your soil temp has reached around 60 degrees Fahrenheit before planting your summer bulbs. A good rule of thumb is if it's time to transplant your tomatoes into the ground, it's a good time to plant your summer bulbs. But if you're not wanting to wait that long to get your bulbs started, you can start things like dahlias and gladiolas up to 4 to 8 weeks before the last frost date indoors. Just make sure they're in a sunny location in your home, such as a sunroom or if you have an indoor greenhouse. Now that you've got your bulbs and timing right, let's talk about planting. You want to plant your summer bulbs in well-draining soil. This prevents them from becoming waterlogged and rotting. You'll also want to amend your soil with a bulb-specific fertilizer or compost. Now when it comes to actually planting your bulbs, make sure to follow the instructions on the back of your bulb packet for specific depth and spacing requirements. Once your bulbs are in the ground, watering is essential. While you don't want to plant your bulbs in soggy soil, be sure to water them initially. After that, maintain regular waterings and make sure to let the soil dry out in between. Since summer bulbs are often tender perennials, you'll need to decide whether you want to treat them as annuals or you'll want to dig them up in the fall. If you decide to store your bulbs throughout the winter, wait until the foliage has died back, then chop it down, dig up your bulbs, and store them in a cool, dry place. And there you have it, folks. Everything you need to know about summer blooming bulbs. We hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like plant content, make sure to subscribe below, because we post content weekly. We hope that you have a great rest of your day, and happy gardening! Begonias, caladiums, I already forgot. Need to be planted in a deep watering is great.